I keep getting woken up. I got woken up at 11 and then some more, and now it's like it's 2 o'clock at 2 p.m. May as well just get it over with. Isa?
Hi.
I was already over there pissing when I got woken up the first time around. I'm packing down. I put these like balled up bunches of newspaper into my shoes to help soak up the moisture. They got kind of wet. I'm just packing up. I'm sitting in the smoke. I'm gonna get out of it. Okay, I got everything all packed down. Right there, there, and there. Gonna go make some money. I just left the shelters. That's the old spot. I used to sleep in there a lot. But I talked to a guy who was there. I'd been woken up like 3 or 4 times. First by the child and his dad, who stayed around for an hour. And then later on by him, and then by some other person. And then he came back, and oh my god, he was not very good at building a fire. Like, I got so annoyed with the smoke, I had to bring out my titanium straw and show him, Oh my god, I have not slept so much, but it's a beautiful day. Let's go make some money. That reminds me, let me just stop for a second. I need to put my JBL speaker here so I can listen. Let's do that. And would you look at that? Just as I'm putting it down to put the speaker in, I find some breakfast. Hungry boy. These are good. Oh yeah, really ripe. Whoa, some big ones up here. Yeah, they're perfect right now. Listening to City Pop. It's like a ritual now. I listen to the same track every time I get out of there. Check it out, guys. 10-15 minutes at the Circle K. It's like different days. They changed the garbage bin at different times. When I went by here in the morning, they had already been changed, but now they're not. I'm just gonna check this place twice a day if I'm in Nyborg. But now I'm going to the train station, and then after I'm gonna return the cans, recycle them, and then I'm gonna buy some rubbing alcohol for the Trangia, and I guess some food for later. Check it out. We got 2 family-sized pizzas. I mean, they look like normal American-sized pizzas, but in Denmark, this is a family-sized pizza. Oh yeah, and we got soda. And Kiki's just sleeping. Hey. The loud friend's apartment. So. Good morning, Kiki. I got a little bit extra money on the way here. Just going down around the harbor. The Danish football team's been playing. So that's why I found that much today, probably. Getting some rubbing alcohol and a soda. That way I can make tea later. Looks like Mike's not really doing much of anything, just hanging out in the apartment, gambling and drinking and just a bunch of hedonistic shit. So yeah, I imagine tomorrow, now I ate dinner with them and I imagine they're probably gonna be doing the same thing tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna leave, maybe head towards Odense, just pick up some more bottles and yeah, sleep somewhere different than Newport, right? I've been here quite a bit. Oh, let's get back to the others. I just left the loud friend's apartment. We shared those pizzas. It was nice, man. I was pretty hungry. And yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. But oh yeah, Mike, he got me a way to make some money tomorrow. The loud friend is moving out of his apartment and he's terrible at doing dishes. Like, basically I'm the only one who's been doing dishes in his apartment for the past month, like, yeah, 2 months basically, damn near. And yeah, he's willing to pay me some money for doing his dishes. Let's see how much I get. But it could be a couple hundred. Would be nice. I mean, I'm pretty quick at doing that shit and it doesn't even feel like work, you know, it's just something that has to be done, right? But right now I'm just hanging out with Stony in voice chat and I'm going back out to the shelter. I met a guy earlier in the shelter today. He's the one who woke me up with the fire pit and more like a smoke pit, I guess. But yeah, he said he's gonna stay out there for 2 days. He's probably already eaten, but I talked about maybe like splitting and making breakfast together. Or sorry, making dinner together. But considering that's over now, I don't really think that's gonna happen. I mean, it's so late, right? But maybe he'll want a bit of tea, right? Just someone to hang out with. I mean, it's a lot easier to set up in those shelters than it is to set up a tent. You know, there's a lot of, like, basically an hour's worth of setup and put down time. Sure, the tent only takes a couple minutes to set up, but then you gotta, like, take all your clothes off and unpack everything. It just takes a while. How often? I'm at the train station. Rest in peace, Kitty. He's got a little memorial over there. Red Allen. Yeah, Red Allen, rest in peace. He was a good boy. I'll just see what I can find here. Not much, it would appear. Yeah. Right here, people can put pant, like if they want to hand them to the next guy. But no, I'm not that lucky today. I think someone's been here taking pant because today Denmark played football and I'm not seeing a single bottle here, which is kind of unheard of. Maybe up on the tracks themselves. Sometimes people won't look there. Let's see. Alright, I only got about $1 on the train station. Train station hasn't really been treating me nice since the last weekend. Maybe it's just a matter of other people draining the train station. You know, the only time I've seen other people pick up cans has been at the train station. So I imagine you probably have to patrol that shit like every 4 or 5 hours to empty it, to disincentivize others, right? But I'm not gonna be doing that shit. That's a waste of time. I'm just going to Circle K today, see if I can make another, well, I basically made like $5-6 there in like 5-10 minutes earlier. Let's see if I can reproduce that success. I haven't been there in like, I don't know, like 12 hours or so. Let's see if they refilled for me. This gas station is insane. I think I just made another like $6 or so. Just picking up stuff here. Going to the McDonald's next. I got like a route by now. First train station, at least in the evening or night, train station, then Circle K, then McDonald's, and then the OK Tank, and then Burger King, and then we done. But really, this is the mother load. This is where I get like most of the bottles, really. Hey guys, I'm standing here in front of the Burger King, and I just picked up a final bottles. I found a big one for 3 krona. That's the first big bottle I've found. Most bottles or cans are just 1 crown, and then you can get some for 1.5, but 3 is the largest. But yeah, I'm done here. Of course, most of the money I got was from the Circle K, but it's still worthwhile checking out these places. I got another few bucks, and it's not like I'm in a hurry, right? So fuck it. I'm gonna go set up camp now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick a shelter. They were both reserved, but let's see. Guys, I am so happy right now. I just let my hair down. It's not that pretty right now, but yeah, I just let my hair down. Oh my god, look at that. Yeah, it looks a little funny when I take it out. I got ice cold cola that I put in the freezer before I left the Loud Friends place. And also, I'm gonna get paid some money tomorrow, either for doing all the dishes in his place, or maybe I'll even get paid even more, because I made the proposition of, how about I just like pack down your whole apartment, everything in cardboard boxes, and I clean it so it's ready for you to move out, because I know this guy sucks. Like, he cannot clean up, he cannot organize and stuff, like, so why not just pay me to fix it all for him? I've already, cleaned his apartment like majorly once, so he knows I'm capable. Would be nice to make a little bit, but it seems tomorrow I got at least I don't know, like 150, 200 coming my way, and then I already got like, what is that, like $10-15 worth of cans and bottles. Then tomorrow, first thing in the morning when I wake up, I'm just gonna do my rounds at the Circle K, and yeah, it's weekend tomorrow. So depending on how things shape up, I am maybe gonna just take the train and check out different train stations for cans. Maybe, I don't know. I mean, typically it's better to do that at night, I don't know. I like sleeping at night. I don't really feel like pulling all-nighters anymore. Like, I still don't think I've pulled an all-nighter on this whole trip. At most, I think like I've stayed awake until the morning and then went to bed. And I actually like that. But yeah, now I'm just gonna hang out with Stony, drink my soda, smoke, chill, watch some YouTube. I gotta do some editing tomorrow. I only have tomorrow and the day after tomorrow's video. No, I only have tomorrow's video, yeah. Oh well, unless anything interesting happens, I think this might just be good night. Just gonna be drinking soda, talking to Stony, smoking a bit. Yeah. Good night, guys.